In this video, I'm going to let you know the benefits and reward program for Wells Fargo credit card. Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this episode, I'm going to show you or let you know about the benefits and reward programs for Wells Fargo credit card. Now this highly depends on the kind of credit card that you're using. Additionally, there are some policies. Now you could go ahead and earn 6 reward points, that is 3 bonus points for every $1 spent on the net dining purchases, and the purchases minus returns or credit as well, and 4 reward points or 2 bonus points for each $1 spent on the net travel purchase, that is purchase minus return or credit card as well, and likewise 2 reward points, that is 1 bonus points for every $1 spent on net purchase of your travel or anything that's apart from this. So likewise, to get more information about it, just open up a new tab. On the web address bar, type in the link, that is creditcard.wellsfargo.com/reward. So that is going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. And right on this page, you should be able to find the reward and redeem options. Go through it and read all of these information, and that's basically how you can benefit and reward programs. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.